Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and this is my daughter,
Meadow.
and we are going to show you something really cool. It's a new way to learn gardening. When you order books, gardening is such a vast topic, and learning something like this, if you are a brand new gardener, this is information overload. Reading all these charts and everything. Would you want to read all these charts? No. We got to make learning gardening simpler, don't we? So what I've created is a Color to Learn gardening series. So I came up with this method where each one of these books picks one topic, doesn't it?
Yes.
One topic. Okay, so this one is Loving Veggies. What happens is that you open the book and this one is teaching you some loving veggies, right?
Yeah.
So it has really fun pictures and it tells you what vegetable it is, but not only do you just read it, what else do you do with this page?
Color.
You color it. So you see it, you read it, and then you color it. So it stays in your memory, doesn't it? And they're fun pictures as well. So for example here, no starting in pots gives a bit of an explanation, and then you color it. And each page has something important to teach you about loving veggies. Here, pests. Fun pictures, and then we have cutworms, all about cutworms, those nasty cutworms, hey?
Yeah.
But it gives you just enough information that you need to know what to do about them, but not information overload, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, Meadow, hold that up and show them a page that you colored. Look at that. Okay, so we're talking about fertilizers here. And so it's just fun. Did you find it fun?
Yes.
Absolutely. So that's the first book of the series, is all about loving veggies. The next book is loving veggies. So name me a loving veggie.
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah.
So this goes through growing zones, which is so important to know, especially with loving veggies. Microclimates. Everything broken down really simply for you to understand, for your child to understand, or for both of you, especially when you know nothing about gardening. This is such a fun way. How to make compost. I break it down really simply on how to make compost, nothing complicated. Starting seeds for zones 1, 2, 3. We're in that zone, aren't we?
Yes.
And it's a very challenging zone. It's a short season growing, isn't it?
Yes.
And so this just breaks it down beautifully on what to do, when to start plants, what not to do, everything you need to know in a very simple way. And then, Meadow, this is your favorite book, isn't it? What's it called?
Vegetable superhero.
Vegetable superheroes. So what we did was make the vegetables into superheroes, teaching you and your child about nutrition in a fun way. So the most common vegetable got a superhero name, like the Flavor Flash, or the Cool Cucumber, or the Mushroom Spore Slayer, or the Pod Rocket for peas. And your favorite, Meadow, is?
Juicy Adventure.
The Juicy Adventure, that's right. Take a look at him all colored. You did an awesome job. Absolutely awesome job. So it's just a super fun way to teach children about nutrition and why the vegetables are good for you. And how many kids love superheroes? Do you love superheroes?
Yes.
So why not make the vegetables into superheroes so it stays in their mind? They find it fun to learn that way. So this entire series is available on Amazon. You can also go to everything-homemade.com, and there's an explanation of all the books on there with links to Amazon as well. So remember, subscribe to the channel and let's learn, color, and grow together.